Hello students, good morning everyone. How are you all? Hope you all are fine. Myself Rupani Pathak from Om Shanti English Medium School and in Standard 5th in English. Today I am going to teach you Unit 9, a shooting test. Students, it is really a very interesting lesson which teach us that how we concentrate on our goal. First we see activity 1 and identify the personality of sports person. In activity 1 you can see that identify the sports person. They specialize in rifle shooting and brought laurels to the country. All these personality are related to sports, especially in rifle shooting. First one is Anjali Bhagawat, second one is Gagan Narang, third one is Abhinav Bindra, which is very famous. Fourth one is Rajvardhan Singh Rathore, and last personality is Lajja Goswami. Students, it is really a very famous personality, especially who are very special in a rifle shooting. Now related to this personality, we learn a lesson related to shooting test. It is also very famous story related to Pandavas. There are 5 Pandavas. The name is Drona is the guru of 5 Pandavas. The name are Bhim, Duryodhan, Sahdev, Dushasan and Arjun. The story is like that. Here Guru Dronacharya say 5 Pandavas one by one shoot the bird who is sitting on the tree. First, Guru Dronacharya says that I take your taste. First come Bhim. And Guru Dronacharya asked to Bhim, what do you see when you going to start your test? So Bhim answered to the Dronacharya that I saw so many things, the branch, the bird, the sky. Then Bhim said, Guruji, can I shoot? But Guruji was sad. Dronacharya says, Bhim, your turn is over. You go and sit down. Like that, one by one, Bhim, Sahdev, Dushasan, and last one is Bhim, Duryodhan, Dushasan, and last one Sahdev. 4 come and all answer are same, that I see tree, birds, then behind it the sky, the bird's head. Like that different answer are given by Bhim, Sahdev, Dushasan and four brothers. But here Guru Dronacharya was become very sad. At last the turn of Arjun. Now Guru Dronacharya says to Arjun, come and take your position. Now your time start. So here in last come Arjun. Here Guru Dronacharya asked to Arjun, What do you see? So Arjun replied, I see nothing else except the right eye of the bird. Here Arjun says, I see only the right eye of the bird. Nothing I can see. Dronacharya says, with a great sense of satisfaction, shoot in a twinkling eye. Here Guru Dronacharya was become very happy because Arjun take the target and said that I see only the eye of the bird. So when Guru Dronacharya says to shoot, Arjun throw his arrow towards the bird. At a moment, in a twinkling eye, the bird falls down to the ground with a thud. Arjun's arrow is there in the right eye. For a moment, there is a hush all around. Then suddenly all the princes cheers Arjun for his extraordinary feat. Drona goes to Arjun and bless him. We can see here the bird is falling down on the earth. Why? Because Arjun shoot down its eyes. So students, here we can learn that Dronacharya want that anyone students take an aim and shoot down the eyes of the bird, and this work is done by Arjun. Dronacharya says to Arjun, bravo Arjun, you have passed the test. Drona looks at the princess and addresses them, dear disciples, I want just a shooting test. It was a test to test the power of your concentration. Arjun concentrated so well that he was nothing but the target, the right eye of the bird. Therefore, he succeeded. You can also do the same thing if you always focus on the target. So, we always remember that we have to target some things and try to achieve it. Thank you. Hope you can understand the lesson. Thank you. Thank you. Have a nice day.